It's officially winter time now. It's finally 40 degrees here in Texas. Diesel heaters are really big these days, and we've got a really interesting offering from Bouge RV. I know everybody's checking out the VVOR units for sub $100. The Bouge is a little more expensive, but it's got some features that I think you should consider. All right, let's check it out. So as you notice, it's a little bit bigger than the VVOR units. It's 12.5 by 9.7 by 15.3, and there's a reason for that. The fuel tank is 5 liters on this one. So you can run this thing for maybe 2 or 3 days on one fueling. So if you're in an emergency situation or you're doing an RV thing or something like that, it cuts down the number of times you have to refuel it. That's pretty neat. We got some nice handles on the side, make this thing easy to pick up and move around. So we've got a 5 kilowatt heat output. I've got a regular wireless remote control. I've got Bluetooth built into it, which is pretty cool, so you can control it remotely. It's easier to assemble. We've got just the heat output and then the exhaust. So they say this thing only takes just a couple of minutes to put together and get up and running, which is pretty neat. We've got an LCD screen right here, so you can do your temperature controls and monitor the health of the system, which is cool. Something that you might not realize is that diesel heaters still require electricity, either 12 or sometimes 12 or 24 volts. This will do 12 or 24. So you've got a power input right down here. So you've got to be able to run the electronics, run the glow plugs, run the fuel pump, stuff like that. So you still need to have a 12 volt input to power the thing. What makes this unit really neat is that it comes with a 12 volt cigarette socket, a 12 volt ring terminal, and it comes with an AC power supply. So we've got a brick style here. It looks like a laptop power supply, which goes to an XT60, which is really cool because this is a very common connector in the solar world. So these are another $20, $30 if you have to buy them separately. So if you buy a VVOR unit with Bluetooth, which is 110, something like that, you still got to buy a power supply. So there's another $30-ish, and you don't have the 5 liter capacity. So that's a nice feature that you don't really think about until you start putting the thing together. So this thing's going to need about 15 amps to get started and then 6 or 7 while it's running. So if you extrapolate that over a 24-hour period and you're going to run this thing off a battery, you're going to need 150 amp hours thereabout. So in an emergency situation, make sure your battery is big enough. Here's a great opportunity to pick up a deal on a huge battery. Watt Cycles 12 volt 314 amp hour is still on its Black Friday special right now. With my code down below, takes it to 360 bucks. The Bouge unit comes with these ring terminals XT adapter. So all we got to do, plug in here and drop it down on here, and we're set to go for probably 2 days with no solar input. Pretty cool. I know this feels a little pricey compared with the VVOR units, but it's a known brand name company with real technical support. You can talk to an actual person pretty easily. You've got a bigger fuel capacity, easier to install, lots of extra cool features that I think make up for the price of some of the no-namers. So if you're in the market for a diesel heater for a tiny cabin, RV, tent cabin, prepper situation, whatever, take a look at this unit, see if this might be the right thing for you. Thanks, everybody.